Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is every woman's favorite jewelry. Yes, I will share today how to make this super gorgeous jewelry set which comes with necklace, earrings, finger ring and the bracelet. So I will share each and every step of creating these lovely paper quilled delicate flowers, along with how to create pearl chains, how to assemble everything, and you can wear it with any outfit, if it is western or whether it is traditional. You can wear it anytime, and also you can create in different colors according to your choice. And after learning this complete tutorial, you can change the flowers as well. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So I'm starting with making the necklace first, and to create the flower, here I'm taking half strip of pink color in 1 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. The 1 mm strips I got from Craftgully store, so just don't forget to check out the link in description box to get extra discounts while purchasing anything from their store. And for all the flowers which I am making today, I am using 1 mm strips only. So here I am joining total 6 petals together to create the flower. And this is done. Then to create inner layer of the flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of off-white color in 1 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Similarly, I have created total 6 tight teardrops. So on top of each pink petal, I am adding these small of white color teardrops. Like this. Now I am showing you how to make the connector. So here I am taking very small strip of pink color in 1 mm and making one teeny mini tight coil. So we need total 2 tight coils, and we have to connect this between the petals on top and in the bottom. That means I am adding 2 connectors here so that we can attach other flowers and chain using these connectors. Now to create smaller size flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark pink color in 1 mm and making one tight teardrop shape, just joining 6 petals together. Then for the inner layer, I am taking here 1/8 strip of white color in 1 mm, making one tight teardrop shape and adding on top of the pink teardrops to complete the flower. Like this. So cute and so teeny. Now adding the connector on the smaller flower as well with the same process. So we need total 2 smaller size flowers and 1 big size flower, and it will come like this. Then on top of the flower, I am adding tight coils. For bigger one I have used 1/4 strip, and for smaller one I have used 1/8 strip of pink color in 1 mm. These are simple tight coils. So all 3 flowers are ready. Now here one of the smallest flower, we have to add 3 connectors, 2 on left and right side and 1 in the bottom, because it will come in the center, and we need 3 connectors to attach 3 side parts. So 2 flower will come with 2 connectors only, and the center one will come with 3 connectors. So I have already attached 2 flower like this using jump ring, and now it will come like this in V shape. Then here I am taking one eye pin in silver color, passing one 5 mm pearl through this, just cutting the excess wire from top and twist it using plier to create the loop. Before closing the loop, I am passing one more eye pin through this and then just securing the loop like this. Then passing one more 5 mm pearl through the other eye pin, cutting excess wire and securing it by making loop. So our small pearl chain is ready, and in this way you can just extend this pearl chain according to your required length. So I have already prepared one more bigger size pearl chain by adding total 6 pearls together with the same procedure. Now taking back these connected flowers, and with a smaller flower I am going to attach my small pearl chain. So using silver jump ring, passing through the connector and passing through the pearl chain and just secure it using plier. Then on other side of the bigger flower I am adding small size flower, so just passing jump ring through the connector and passing one side of the flower through the jump ring like this. Just secure it and this is done. Then taking one more silver jump ring, passing on the other side of the flower like this and connecting big size pearl chain. And it should look like this. Then it's time to create the center hanging. For this I am taking one T-pin. T-pin is flat from the bottom. First passing one pink color sequin through this because I am using one bigger pearl this time, and it can pass through T-pin easily. So to protect it from falling, I am adding sequin first. Then on top of this I am adding 5 mm pearl, just cutting the excess wire, twist it and make a loop. Then using silver jump ring I am connecting this hanging with the center flower from bottom like this. And this is completely done. Then to make the closure of the necklace, here I am taking one piece of silver chain, and the length of the chain is approximately 11.5 centimeters. So we need 2 these type of chain pieces, and this is according to my neck size. So before cutting the chains, you can measure the circumference of your neck. If you want the longer heighted necklace, just take long length of the chain, and if you want a choker kind of necklace, just take a short length of the chain. Now using jump ring I have connected one side of the chain, similarly connecting the other side of the chain like this using silver jump ring. Then on the one side I am going to add normal silver jump ring. And on other side I am passing one jump ring and also one silver lobster clasp to close or to lock our necklace from backside. So this is completely ready. Now I'm proceeding for the bracelet. This is super duper easy. For this I have already created the flower chain using small, medium and small size, just like we made for the necklace, and also I have prepared 2 pieces of pearl chains using 4 pearls. So both the chains will come on left and right side. So I'm just attaching it using jump ring. Then on another side I am adding lobster clasp using jump ring, and using same jump ring space I am connecting one hanging as well. The hanging is same as we created for the center of the necklace. Just secure it and your cute bracelet is ready. You can just close it like this using lobster clasp, and this is ready to wear. Then I am starting with making finger ring. So here I am taking one strip of 2 mm in pink color, just measuring the size of my finger, wrapping it around the finger and marking it like this by folding the strip little bit. Then on the folded part adding little glue and start making one big ring. Passing one more 2 mm pink color strip through this and creating little more bigger ring. Secure it nicely, and on top of this I am adding lots of glue. Spread it using brush and allow it to dry completely to make it stiff. If you have metal finger ring base, you can directly attach your flower with the metal base, but if you don't have, you can create your own ring base using paper strip. Now I'm just wrapping one paper tape around one part of the ring like this, so that we will have space to attach the flower on top of this. Just secure it nicely, and on top of this I am adding this big size flower. First I am connecting one connector on the bottom and then sticking the flower on top of the tape. And in the bottom I am attaching one small hanging which is made using 5 mm pearl only. So just securing it using silver jump ring, and the super cute finger ring is ready. If you don't want hanging, you can just avoid the connector part and keep it simple like the flower ring only. And this is completely done. Then proceeding for the earrings. For this I am taking the smaller size of the flower, and I have already connected 2 connectors, one in the bottom like we did before, and on the top I have added connector on another side, one in flat and one on the other side, and created one hanging using pearl. This is single pearl, and using silver jump ring I am just connecting it with the bottom of earring, and on top of earring I am connecting the hoop, earring hoop, which is in silver color again, and using jump ring I am connecting hoop with the flower. And this is completely done. Similarly I have prepared one more already. These are looking super pretty. So all our jewelry parts are completely ready and they are looking absolutely stunning. You can create for yourself in different colors, matching with your outfits, or you can gift it to your friends. And the festive season is coming very soon, so you can just start preparing your matching jewelry to flaunt in front of everyone. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.